Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can log into your Fragomen account. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up a browser of your choice and then search for Fragomen Login. Then select the first link which says Immigration Connected by Fragomen. Enter your username and hit continue. And once that's done, it will take you to your sign-in page where you need to enter your username once again, hit submit, and then enter your password. And once you have done that, simply select sign on. And that's how you log into your Fragomen account. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post another video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.